Patients often have many questions about how to use the Malpani Baby Kit for self-insemination. Here are some of the questions we got, and here are the answers. 1. With your kit, when we insert the speculum, won't it cause burning or pain inside the vagina? In that case, can we use the lubricant provided in your kit to apply on the speculum? Or please can you suggest how to loosen the vagina? I don't get lubrication properly. The answer: you don't need to use the speculum if you don't want to. It's easy to insert the soft plastic pasture pipette deep into your vagina. This will automatically deposit the semen near the cervix. 2. Through the pipette, should we drop semen near the cervical opening or should we insert the pipette slightly to the cervix opening? Near the cervix is fine. Sperm can swim and will find their way to the cervical mucus, so please don't worry about this. 3. With my previous experience injecting through a syringe, I noticed almost all the liquid came out of the vagina. What should we do to make semen stay inside the vagina? Lie down with a pillow under your hips for a few minutes after the insemination. Leakage is normal. This happens after sexual intercourse as well because the vagina is a closed blind tunnel or sheath. Number 4. After sperm ejaculation, how long should the sperm be kept outside? Should we wait before inserting it into the vagina after semen collection? 15 minutes is enough for it to liquefy. 5. Is it necessary to get naturally lubricated inside the vagina and get an orgasm during this process? No, there is no relationship between sexual arousal, orgasm, and fertility. And finally, can the kit be delivered to my hometown, which is a small taluk in Karnataka? Yes, you can buy the Malpani Baby Kit for self-insemination online by visiting www.drmalpani.com.